Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you will need to go to the screen you want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open some kind of app. Maybe let's open, calculator. Okay, and once you go to the screen you want to capture, you can take a screenshot by pressing the home button and back button together. Once you press them together, like this, you will take the screenshot. You can tell by the animation on the screen. Looks like this. And once you take a screenshot, you can go back to the menu and open the gallery app right here. And once you open the gallery app, you can go to the albums right here at the top and select screenshots, and you have the albums filled, or rather album with your screenshot, and you can browse through them by swiping left and right. If your watch is connected to a phone, the screenshots will be also copied to your phone. So you can go to your phone, open the Photos app or something like that on it, and in the Photos app you should see the camera album, or rather, yeah, it's camera for some reason, I don't know why, but if you go to the camera album, you will see that the screenshots from your watch are right here. This, so you can open the photos, go to the library, camera, and you should see your screenshots right here. Okay, and that's how you take screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.